Okay, the second step, how to get the line, electrical lines for this machine. And this is the electric control box. And first, this body machine has one big line. This main machine has one big line. This body machine has one big line. This machine has one line, and that machine also has one line. And now let's check how to put these lines. Let's open the box. And then you can check this line. This line is from this main machine. So this big pipe come here, and you can check there I marked 1, 2, and let me show you carefully. There I marked 1 and 2, and these lines also marked. This is 2. You can check this is 2, and this is 1. So 1 you connected, this is 1. 2 you connected, this is 2. You can check 1, only these 2 lines, 1 line and 2 lines. These lines you can check, I can get it off. You can check like this way. So you just connected, that's okay. But sometimes if this one is not separate, you need to connect these 3 lines. The 3 lines you can check I marked UVW. This is UVW, and you connect to this UVW, match the places, that's okay. And the last line is ground line, like this way. Also the same way for this way, is also 1 plug. If this is not 1 plug, you need to connect this UVW. Here also mark the UVW, the line marked UVW. Just match the line connected, and the last line is the ground line, and that's okay. For this line just connected. So this is finished, and this one we also finished. And also this line come, this line and this line, and you can check A connect A, B connect B, that's okay. So this main motion body line from there, this main motion body line, we finished all these 4 lines. And the next one is this body machine. This body machine comes with this pipe. You can check this pipe is only this B. So just now I say how to connect, just get it connected, that's okay. And that line, this is the wire, this is the edge finish line. This is the edge finish line. Edge finish line is only this one, AB. I didn't mark C, so this one is very big. This is for this connected to this places is okay. And the last one is the compact room machine. Compact room machine is we need to connect here. You can check there is 1 line. I get this line out. You can check there has 1 line. This line connected here. This no need you to care. We already connected the well. So you just connected this line is okay. How to we are connected to these places, to the edge finish parts. You can check here. There has a full. But we have 3 lines. So how to connect it? You just connect the 3 lines to any one of them is okay. 3 of them is okay. It doesn't matter which button you use, which screw you use to connect it. You just connect the 3 lines is okay. Here you may ask, if I connected, how about if the machine direction changed, how should I adjust? And after I connected, I will show you how to adjust the direction of the contact room machine parts. Connected, you put this plastic type of valve. Okay, after we connected all these lines for this machine, we need to get electricity for this machine. You can check, you can get the line, you can get electricity. For example, this is our electricity. And you can get 1 line to connect this machine, give this machine electricity. Where we connected here. This is 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 lines is 380 voltage. And this one we mark the N. This one you need to connect the N line. This line very, very important. If you mix this 330 with this N, it will have the problem. It may be burn the PLC and this parts. It may be broken these two parts. So this is very important. N line is here, and this 3 lines is 380 voltage. And if this machine the direction is wrong, how we check the direction is wrong? And you can check that. You can check that places. You know, this place is you need to get the mesh, drag the mesh up like this way. So we need to check whether this direction is right. How to check this direction? This direction will be like this way. It is right because it needs to drag the mesh like outside. So how we check? We just put here, open the switch, open the electricity power, and then open this here, open this machine electric control box, and click this drag mesh move. When I click, you can check. This is the wrong direction because it is to get the mesh like forward. So this is the wrong direction. How we do if it is the wrong direction? And then we need to change this parts 380. Change these 2 wires. That's okay. Change the connection. Let the red one put here, this one put here. That's okay. I need 2 of these 3. This is 380 lines. Change 2 of these 2 lines is okay. You must remember, you must cut off the electricity, and then you can change here, okay? This is very, very important. Now the machine get electricity, we need to cut off the power, and then we reconnect it. You can change that side, and also you can change here. First off the electricity, and then change 2 of these 380 lines. Change the direction. That's okay. After change, we open the electricity, and now we go here to check again. Now let's check again. I click this drag mesh again, and you can check. See, it's right direction, and then we can go on for the next step.